the color orange, the color orange. Say hello to the color orange. It's a happy color.
A basketball is orange, orange, orange.
Carrots are orange.
Pumpkins are orange.
Mac and cheese is orange, orange, orange. It's a happy color. Say hello to the color orange, the color orange, the color orange. Say hello to the color orange. It's a happy color. In the fall, the leaves are orange, orange, orange.
This fish is orange.
This cat is orange.
And, of course, this orange is orange.
It's a happy color. Say hello to the color orange, the color orange, the color orange. Say hello to the color orange. It's a happy color. It's a happy color.
Yes, it is.
Orange, orange, orange. Soft and pulpy orange. Sweet orange, sour orange. Round and yummy orange. Filled with
मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज मैं ऑरेंज के बारे में कुछ बताने जा रहा हूँ। ऑरेंज मेरे को बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए मेरा फ्रूट फेवरेट ऑरेंज है। नागपुर में फेमस ऑरेंज है, इसलिए मेरे को ऑरेंज पसंद है। थैंक यू एवरीवन। I am in orange. Orange is delicious. Orange is orange brown in fashion. It is color. Orange is a favorite fruit.
that's sweet and sour. Good for the heart and eyes of yours. Don't throw the peel into the bin. Orange peel is a good medicine. Orange, orange, orange. Orange. Soft and pulpy orange. Orange. Sweet orange, sour orange. Round and yummy orange.
Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. That spells orange, you can see. O-R-A-N-G-E. Now let's spell orange easily. O-R-A-N-G-E. 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 Now here's some orange things for you to see. An orange, a pumpkin, a carrot, cheese, basketballs, life jackets, nectarines. O-R-A-N-G-E. That spells orange, you can see. O-R-A-N-G-E. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange.
Orange, orange all around. So many places where orange is found. Orange vegetables in the market like pumpkin and carrot. Orange, orange all around. So many places where orange is found. Orange vegetables in the market like pumpkin.
are